What's up everyone, this is my channel and I have a new unboxing today, and also I'm gonna review it, and also I'm gonna review it so that you will know what is this all about. So before we start, subscribe to my channel, and also you can click the notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos in my channel. So before we start, let's do some intro. So here we go. I'm back. So here we are. I'm back again with a new tech unboxing, tech accessories, or vlogging accessories. So we're gonna start unboxing. So here we go, guys. This is my new tech unboxing for today. So this is the selfie stick, or should I say monopod. Um, f- um, second first to the tripod. So this is the first and ever monopod. So and then it comes with the tripod. So I think what I don't know what is the first invention of the pod. So tripod or monopod. So monopod is for single, tripod is for three. So this is the selfie stick that I buy from Miniso. So this is the what is the model of this. So there's a Miniso Life, and then this the tag of it. So let's check some. Okay, just check the here, and you can see the 300 milliamp battery. Charging time is about half an hour. So it is a wireless, and it connection of Bluetooth. So and it comes with a micro USB for charging, because there is a micro USB port on it, and the model is a FLO2 and the color is gold. So specifications: telescopic, net weight niya ay telescopic, at saka ano siya, nagtagalog na ako. So sorry. At saka length is 18 to 77 centimeter, net weight of 125 grams. Product features: connected by Bluetooth, easy to use, and three kinds of brightness to choose. So ito yung mga ano niya, material ABS. So check na natin at let's try to open it. So here is the micro USB charging cable, and let's take it out. So it's so lightweight, so I don't know what is the how many so it's only the net weight is 125 grams, so that's why it is so not it's so not heavy. So here it is, guys. So this is um the unit. The Yes, I think this is the sensor of the Bluetooth, and then this there is the of the phone. Then let's take this peel off. So it says peel off. So this is the shutter, and this is the brightness. So I don't know how to. So okay, there's a mirror also on it, guys. There's a mirror. Okay, there's a mirror. Nice one. Okay, and you can, like that, stretch it, and then how to on. So I think this on. Okay, it's on. Okay, so let's put some phone on it. So there's a light. There's one, two, 3, and that was this is the brightest. So let's try to have a phone on it. So I'm gonna try my iPad. Yes, and this, wow, nice. Okay, uh love the of this. So you can, if you want to take some pictures, so like that, and you can press the picture and then the brightness. So three mode of brightness. So I think this is the LED light for picturing. So let's check and sample of it. So this is the sample. So if you and then let's take a sample, and then you can see that. Then you can have it right, and you can switch it like that, so you can put it like that, and then you can have it. So nice. But there's no tripod mount in here, so I just feel so that, but this is good. This is good. I love it. This is the best selfie stick that I have. So it's because has an LED light on it. And then this one, yeah, one not so bright, dim, and then bright, semi bright and semi dim, and then also the brighter. So brightness, one, two, three. So that was the what is called. So and then so okay, we're just gonna try to let's check the Bluetooth on it. So searching for Bluetooth. So I think it's not gonna be connected. So it's because it's connecting in my phone and in my microphone. So uh, let's try to back it up. So that was guys. So that is so if you want to okay, sample, so just picture on it. So let's try some pictures. So okay, nice. Okay, just one. Hmm. So I just used the and then I just used the shutter of the of my iPad. So let's try to see this. So yes, and it is. You can see that. Very good. And so light, because the light of my study lamp and the ring light. So and also that was the light also in this LED. So so guys, that's it. This is the unboxing and review. So guys, this is the sample of the video in here in my Monopod selfie stick. So I think it's good and it's better. So I think I love it, and I think I love this kind of accessories, vlogging tech accessories. And now I have a new, what is this called, uh, tech vlogging accessories, and I will use this on my travels also, in my traveling, bike touring, and also family travel. So guys, so this is just a sample of it. So love this kind of. So as you can see that the as you can see that, so love it, nice, and feel so soft on it. So that's so, but it is good. Okay, guys. So, guys, that was the unboxing and review of my new vlogging accessories. So that was the selfie stick, selfie stick or monopod. So this is it. So this is it. The one. So I forgot. So I just have to use it like this. So how is so how long it is. So this is it. So nice, and have the wire on it in here. This one, love it. Nice. Okay. So guys, that was the unboxing and review of my new vlogging tech accessories, the selfie stick or the monopod. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to my channel so that I can gain more subscribers in my channel. And also, like my videos, comment and share it to your friends, family, loved ones, and in the entire human race. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video.